versus generic feedback. Good job, well done. After a while, not very meaningful. Though the intention might be good. So simple things like that. Now the next activity to practice SBI, I need you all to find a partner, not from your table group. You're going to form pairs. Anyone without a partner will partner me. I see who will partner me. Yeah? So we're going to practice this in our own corner. So it's going to be a 10-minute activity, quick stand up. So can I invite you up on your feet and find someone not from your table group. Get a chance to talk to someone else. Yeah. Okay, thank you for standing up. 18 comments, everybody. Find a partner. Anyone without a partner will be my partner. Thank you so much. Finding another person, great. Have a different perspective.
The music will stop. Patrick.
Okay, find a different partner, yeah? Okay, thank you for